Along with that, the focus would also be on vocational education, where we would want to, I mean, not every child is keen on pursuing higher education. So, and of course, taking into consideration that in case the child does want to opt for vocational education, he should be given an opportunity. So, this is where we are trying to concentrate on vocational education. But the vocational education, the skill training programs are distributed between 16 ministries and departments. So, it is very difficult to coordinate amongst ourselves. So, that is the reason why the Honorable Prime Minister very keen that we should make a success out of this vocational education, has kept it with himself and called it the skill mission, the skill development mission. So, and the reason for that is that it would be easier for the PMO to actually coordinate between the 17 ministries and departments. And from the Ministry of Human Resource Development, we have the Polytechnic program, which actually supports the skill upgradation programs that we have. And I think that should be the focus now, because India, as we know, is doing very well in the service sector also. So, we not only need skilled manpower to meet up our own needs, but also to meet up the global needs also, because India is a very young country. We have about say 60–70% of our population below the age of 35. So, that is where I think we strongly believe that we will have to convert this huge boon that we have into supporting not only our growth, but even the global GDP. So, I think that is where our focus and our challenge lies.